The next right of an arrested or accused person is to get free legal aid. This is mentioned under Article 21 as a part of right to life and personal liberty, and also as a part of fundamental rights. It is a duty of the court to give free legal aid to a person. Right to free legal aid. Article 21, and it is a duty of the court. Okay, and as a part of right to life and personal liberty, and also a part of fundamental rights, an accused person, when he cannot, when or where he is not in a position to afford a legal practitioner or a lawyer for valid causes, then it will become the duty of the court to provide free legal aid to the accused person. Then coming to the next right of an accused person is he has his own right to produce evidence. Right to produce evidence. An arrested person can produce his own evidence. Nothing can stop him from producing his own evidence, and this is based on the ground called as audi alteram partem, which is based on the principles of natural justice, which simply says both the parties must be heard. Okay, and this also covers what you call as defense of alibi. Now, defense of alibi in the sense, even the accused or arrested person, even he has a right to even say that he was not present at the scene of crime. Now, I'm not asking you people to misuse this defense of alibi. This is only for your right to information. Now, if you lie also, you have something called as narco-analysis test. Okay, a drug will be induced in the veins to bring out truth from the mouth. So, please do not misuse law just because you are getting to know or you already know. Okay, now an accused person has a choice and a right to produce his own evidence, and has a right to produce the witness of his choice in the court of law. The final right available to him is right to fair trial. In the sense, the court of law, okay, should give both the parties, it should give both the parties enough opportunity to prove their sides effectively. That is called as right to fair trial. Nobody should be unjustified here.